Hey barbecue family! Thank you guys for tuning in to another episode on our channel. I'm Maddie and this is Kiki and we are Canada's favorite female grill masters. And each week we teach you how to build a barbecue out of easy to find materials or things you can find either around your house or at your local hardware store. This week we have an extra special one for you guys, and we know we literally say that every single week, but we are so pumped for this one. This one is going to be so awesome. We are building a grill out of a wheelbarrow. Wait, it's wheelbarrow? Isn't it wheelbarrow? I say wheelbarrow. It's wheelbarrow. But it's not a barrel. Well, it kind of is. No, it isn't. Guys, is it wheelbarrow or wheelbarrow? Hands up if it's wheelbarrow, everybody. You just said barrow. Stay tuned because we're also going to be throwing on some Kung Pao Chicken Wings. Kung Pao. When you say Kung Pao, you're going to say Kung Pao. Let's do this, honey. Let's go. Okay, here we go. Check it out, everybody. We weren't lying. Look at this thing and how cool it is. It's super old, and we actually didn't even have to buy this. We found this in one of Kiki's old barns, and we knew we had to turn it into a barbecue. Check out these natural vent holes that have been worn away over time, and they're gonna provide the perfect amount of airflow for our grill. Ever since we've been doing these crazy barbecue builds, we literally see grills everywhere we go. So just with a few simple items that we had lying around, we're gonna be turning this thing into a barbecue. We've laid down the bricks and now we're going to be putting down this grill grate because we don't want our charcoal touching the bottom of this rusty wheelbarrow. Just like with every grill, we're going to be designing our grill with an indirect cooking side and a direct cooking side so that we can put our Kung Pao chicken wings over the high heat and move them over when they get a little bit too crispy. While we're waiting for our charcoal to light, let's put together our Kung Pao marinade for these wings. In a big bowl, we have the juice of 1 orange and 2 limes, and we're gonna add in some fermented black bean paste, sliced green onion, sesame oil, seasoned rice vinegar, soy sauce, our secret ingredient, peanut butter powder. You could use regular peanut butter if you don't have any of this, but we like it because it blends really easily without having to get gloopy peanut butter everywhere. Honey, black and white sesame seeds for color and flavor, lots of grated ginger and garlic, chili garlic sauce, and last but not least, chopped peanuts. And we're just gonna mix this all together. Because this wet marinade is so salty and so flavorful, we are actually gonna put our wings on the grill exactly as they are. We don't need to salt and pepper them or anything because once they're cooked, they're gonna be tossed in this marinade and they are gonna be spectacular. Kung Pao. Just realized that we wanted more of an area for our charcoal to lay on in our barbecue. That's the beauty of building your own grill. You can modify it and rejig things as you go. Oh yeah, that's way better. Actually, we gotta leave that off because we gotta dump our coals there. Our charcoal's ready to be dumped when it starts to look ashed over like this. Let's get these wings on our new grill. Ooh, listen to that sizzle. Oh yeah. We're gonna start them on our direct side, and then once we get some color, we're gonna move them to our indirect side to continue cooking. Guys, is this not a country song if I've ever heard one? Cooking chicken wings in a wheelbarrow. What? I think we have a new hit in our hands. The trick to doing wings over very high heat like this is you gotta keep it moving. You wanna be turning and twisting and adding more and taking some off. You can't walk away from these guys. Like Kiki said, you gotta keep moving these wings. You'll see here that these ones are the ones that are always in emotion.
And then these guys up here who are chilling over at indirect heat, they're ready to be going into our delicious Kung Pao sauce.
Our wings are fully cooked through, and it's time to take them off and put them directly into our sauce. You'll notice we've got quite a bit of sauce here, but that's because we've got quite a bit of wings there. And if you want really saucy wings, you have to make sure you start off with an appropriate ratio of sauce to wings. Otherwise, it's not gonna coat each and every crevice of all these wings. Oh yeah, as soon as those hot wings hit that sauce, you can start to smell the chili and the garlic. And these are Kung Pao chicken wings, so you can really dial up the spice or tone it down as much or as little as you want.
It's like a Kung Pao bubble bath.
Oh yeah. Let's give these a toss. And try not to cover myself in sauce in the meantime, guys. All right, guys, you've made it this far in our video. That must mean you like what you're seeing a little bit. So please like this video and don't forget to subscribe for more barbecue fun.
We thoroughly appreciate it, barbecue family. And on that note, I'm diving in. I want to know, what do you guys prefer, the flat or the drum? I'm going flat.
Flat's the best.
On this. Diving in, this one looks super succulent, super delicious. I'm not gonna make Kiki feed me this time. I'm just diving right in.
That's rude to make someone feed you wings because they smell so fantastic.
Okay, I'm drooling already. I'm going in.
Okay.
Oh my goodness, that Kung Pao, it's a pow right in the face here. Salty and has so much umami going on in here. And you know what's coming off right off the top?
What?
The ginger.
Ooh.
Green onions give it a little bit of freshness, and then you crunch right into those sesame seeds. Absolutely phenomenal.
What's really great about doing wings over charcoal, unlike doing deep fried wings where it's kind of all one uniform crunchy texture, with charcoal wings, you get a little bit of crunch, but then you also get a little bit of juiciness too.
Crunchy, juicy, succulent.
Spicy.
Oh, spicy.